Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost light. A ghost light is a single, bare incandescent bulb on a stand, traditionally placed at the center of a stage when the theater is empty. Its primary purpose is safety, illuminating obstacles and preventing falls in the dark. Beyond its practical use, it embodies a rich theatrical tradition, symbolizing the enduring spirit of the stage and its performers. To construct your ghost light, begin by gathering the necessary materials. You'll need a robust lamp stand or a stable tripod to ensure it won't easily tip over. Select a standard incandescent light bulb, usually between 60 and 100 watts, for adequate illumination. An electrical cord with a plug and an inline switch are crucial for power and control, along with a basic lamp holder to secure the bulb. Assembling your ghost light is straightforward. First, securely attach the lamp holder to the top of your sturdy stand. Next, carefully wire the electrical cord to the lamp holder, ensuring all connections are tight and safe. Integrate the inline switch into the cord, allowing for easy on and off control. Finally, screw your chosen incandescent light bulb firmly into the lamp holder socket, completing the electrical setup. Once assembled, position your ghost light precisely at the center of the stage. This placement ensures it provides maximum visibility and illuminates the surrounding area, preventing accidents in the dark. Beyond its practical safety function, the ghost light holds deep symbolic meaning. It represents the theater's continuous life, a beacon for the stage, and a respectful nod to its rich history and traditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.